Italian ambassador to Pakistan, His Excellency Andreas Ferrarese, visited Port City in order to witness the multinational drills Aman 2021. His Excellency visited the Mazar of Quaid-e-Azam Mohammad Jinnah to pay tribute to the founder of Pakistan. His Excellency stated that it was a privilege to visit the tomb of the father of nation, who was not only a visionary leader but also a great statesman who envisioned a prosperous and progressive Pakistan and is an inspiration for many around the world. Ambassador Ferrarese also called on the Chief Minister Sindh Murad Shah and Governor Sindh Imran Ismail and reiterated Italy's strong commitment towards promoting bilateral relations with Pakistan at all levels. At State Bank Museum, His Excellency was welcomed by Director Dr. Asma Ibrahim. His Excellency also visited a number of other landmarks including Mohatta Palace and Flagstaff House. At AD Center, His Excellency Ferrarese expressed his gratitude to the AD Foundation for their support to the Italian government and donating $300,000 to the Italian Civil Protection Agency at a time when Italy was combating the first wave of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. His Excellency appreciated Madame Bilqis AD, her son, and the whole team of AD Foundation for not only continuing but also expanding the charitable activities to all over Pakistan and the rest of the world. Italian ambassador was welcomed at the historic site of Bhambor by Sindh Minister for Culture, Tourism and Antiquities Sayyid Sardar Ali Shah. His Excellency took keen interest in knowing the historical and cultural aspects of Bhambor. Avari Towers was the venue where His Excellency attended a networking reception. Here, crème de la crème of the metropolis, including journalists, bureaucrats, and industrialists, converged to exchange notes with the envoy. The guests were offered delectable Italian hors d'oeuvres. Speaking on the occasion, Consul General Danilo Giordanella said,
"The Consulate of Italy in Karachi strives to offer the best opportunities and to make Italian excellencies known to the widest public possible in Pakistan, and we hope to do so. And we hope that we can offer you the best commercial and the best consular service in Karachi. Italy is one of the leading economies in the world. It is the third biggest economy of the European Union. It is one of the leading manufacturers. It is the second manufacturer of the European Union, and it is the 8th economy in the world for its GDP. Italy is a country which is member of G8 and G20, and is the first country in the world for number of UNESCO World Heritage Site. So with that kind of numbers, with that data, I hope that there will surely be opportunities to be discovered, and it is our job to make them known to the Pakistani public. There are many opportunities to improve trade and investment numbers between Italy and Pakistan, and it is our job to make it so.
Addressing the ladies and gentlemen in the reception, Ambassador Andreas Ferrarese stated,
"I was asked by my government where I wanted to go. So the choice of Pakistan was my choice. I decided and vowed to come here because I have a great confidence in the potentialities between our two countries and the very strong sympathies from my very youth for Pakistan. When I was 25, I worked the first time with Pakistani businessmen for the financing of the infrastructure program here with the World Bank. and I had a tremendous impression of your businessmen and civil servants. I kept these memories, and I vowed that if I can, I will go to Pakistan as an ambassador. What can we do in the next year? And I will need all your support and friendship. First of all, I have to build a new Italian embassy in Islamabad. That would be a priority, because the one now is not representing properly our country. Second, I'm insisting with my government to strengthen the structures of Italy, to promote Italy in Pakistan, especially in the commercial and cultural sector. We need to strengthen our structures. We are thinking of 3 major initiatives next year in some months. The first will be in Islamabad, and will be about cultural and natural heritage and sustainable tourism. How to make money with our natural and cultural heritage from an entrepreneurial point of view. The second will be in the city of Karachi. We will follow the Italian flag. Tourism will be white while your beautiful mountains. Karachi, we will make green economy. We will make a conference with a high level about the green economy from different point of view, from energy, constructions, fashion, and everything. The third one will be in Lahore, and will be about from global to local, how shall we dress and live in the next 50 years. It will be about design, fashion, construction, housing. We will have initiative also for construction. This is my 7th country. In previous experience, I succeeded to bring investments and to leave the trade much bigger than when I arrived. I hope that Pakistan will be the exception, and I trust your collaboration for this purpose. Let me give my assurance that I will work with all my energies for these purposes. I am 52, 53 from few days, in the best time of my life, because I have still energy and some experience. So I want to give the best in my life in your country, for Italy and for Pakistan.